So look how fast, I'm gonna stand still a minute. Look how fast those clouds are rolling. And how dark it is. I can hear it. And if you see those trees over there, look how fast they're taking off. Like they were still. Look how fast they're like. It's like a chain reaction. That's crazy. It's almost like it's happening. It's starting to pick up. Wow. I'm not normally a storm person, but this is crazy how fast. You can see how fast the trees were totally still, and all of a sudden they're starting to like, look, and the corn's starting to go crazy. Did he say it's over?
Yeah, he said it's not bad there. It looks, look at how that's turning. Like it's getting ready to.
Oh boy. We better go in, girl. It's twirling. Well, I could see it on the trees. It went from being still to... Wow, look at it. And the corn's going crazy. Stuff is flying. Look at that. Hello. They're gone.